Do you know which part of your body gets noticed the most? That is your forearms. Even in a crowd of thousands, this one thing can make you stand out. That is your powerful, vascular, and well-structured forearms. Many of us wear oversized t-shirts, under which the chest, abs, biceps, everything gets hidden. But if your forearms are well built, it becomes clearly evident even from beneath the shirt that this person doesn't just go to the gym, he's a dominating and confident man. And if someone handshakes with you, from the strength of your grip and your confidence, they understand that this person is a real man and a Sigma male. To tell the truth, for most men, the other parts of the body grow properly, but the wrists and forearms remain absolutely thin, weak, and skinny. Then many say, "Brother, my genetics are bad." But the reality is, it's not genetics, rather it's the lack of proper technique. Wrist size doesn't just depend on bone structure. True thickness only comes when you work on the deep muscle layers of your forearms, muscle tone, grip density, and the control of that area. The wrist is not a passive or inactive part, it's a warrior joint that handles every lift, every punch, and every hold with a strong hand. So today, I am going to show you an exercise routine that you can do right at home, completely without a gym, and you will be able to see the results of this routine with your own eyes in just 7 days. So definitely watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. Exercise number 1, wrist curl. So exercise number 1 is the wrist curl. This exercise boosts both your forearm thickness and wrist strength together. If you want, you can do this right at home. All you need is a 2 to 5 kilogram dumbbell or a water bottle. And to perform this exercise, first sit on a flat surface. Position your hands in such a way that the wrist is hanging slightly outward. Now slowly lower the weight downwards. Then, while squeezing the wrist muscles, slowly lift it upwards. Keep in mind that only your wrist should work during this movement. There shouldn't be any movement from the elbow under any circumstances. And no matter how small this movement looks, its impact is absolutely brutal. Doing the wrist curl in this controlled range directly activates your deep forearm tissue, and from there begins the real game of vascularity and thickness. So you have to do 3 sets of this exercise with 12 repetitions per set. Doing this at least twice a week will let you see the results with your own eyes. Exercise number 2, forearm roller. Exercise number 2 is the forearm roller. To do this exercise, you will need a forearm roller, or if you want, you can make a roller at home. Then keep both hands completely straight in front of you like this. Slowly roll the hanging weight upwards, but you have to keep your arms straight the entire time so that the tension falls directly on the forearm. And you have to do this in 3 sets as well, 10 to 12 repetitions. After doing this, your forearms will pump up like a balloon. Exercise number 3, forearm grip squeezer. The grip squeezer is a portable tool that you can easily use while studying, traveling, or during any free time. And you have to do this in 3 sets, 12 repetitions per hand. And you must target maximum muscle failure. Then within just 7 days, you will feel that your hand has developed an ironclad grip. Exercise number 4, reverse wrist curl. This exercise is for those who want to highlight their veins along with their forearms. To do this exercise, hold the dumbbell or bottle in a reverse grip. Then rest your elbows on a table or bench. Then slowly curl the weight from the bottom to the top. This movement targets muscle groups like the brachioradialis and extensors. In reality, these are the muscles that help give the forearm a dominating look. So you have to do 3 sets of this exercise, 12 repetitions each. After doing this, your forearms will pump up like a balloon. Exercise number 5, farmer's walk. To do this exercise, you first need to hold something heavy in both hands. It could be a dumbbell, water bottle, or brick. And then you have to stand straight and walk slowly until you feel that it is no longer possible to hold these weights. And of course, your focus should be on holding the weight and keeping your posture straight. This exercise will increase your wrist stability, forearm endurance, and grip strength. While doing this, you will realize that true power has come to your hands. And the last but most important point is, take this routine seriously. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. These 5 powerful exercises will build your hands into a dominating and masculine weapon. It's not just about pumping the biceps, it's a sign of physical control, strength, and mental dominance.